how do you find the limit of a function? Limit x tends to 3, x plus 3. Substitute the value here. Like you find the value of a function, just substitute that here. So put x is equal to 3 here. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So the limit value is also 6, because this is a linear function. Okay, for linear function, trigonometric functions, polynomials, all these substitute. If it is in the indeterminate form, then you have to think about some other option. Sometimes you get 0 by 0. All these are indeterminate forms. Or you may get infinity by infinity. Or you may get infinity to the power 0. So all these are called indeterminate forms. In that case, you have to factorize it or use the formula. Now the first one is 6. Second one is limit x tends to pi. X tends to pi. X minus 22 by 7. So this is, substitute x is equal to pi. So it is pi minus 22 by 7. Don't write substitute pi as 22 by 7 and cancel it. It's only an approximate value. X tends to pi. Okay, so it is, we cannot just write x as 22 by 7 and you cannot cancel it. Don't do that. Just put it as pi. X is approaching pi. Pi itself is an approximate value, isn't it? So don't cancel it. Just keep as it is. Just that's all. Third one, r tends to 1, pi r square. Put r is 1. Substitute r is 1. You get the answer pi. Fourth one, so it is a rational function. First step is substitute. So if it is indeterminate form, only then you factorize it. So just substitute and check. 4 into 4, 16 plus 3, 19. 4 minus 2 is 2. So that's the answer. Fifth one. So first substitute as it is. Even if it is a rational function, just substitute. So minus 1 power 10 minus 1 power 5 plus 1 divided by minus 1 minus 1. So this is 1. This is minus 1 plus 1 by minus 2. So minus 1 by 2. Sixth one, x plus 1 power 5 minus 1 by x, limit x tends to 0. So first step is put x is 0. So this will become 0 plus 1 the whole power 5 minus 1 by 0. You are getting 1 minus 0 by 0. This is indeterminate form. You can't find the value of this. So now try to factorize it. Okay, or expand it. You can expand x plus 1 the whole power 5, or you have learned a formula, limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a. What is that equal to? N into a power n minus 1. So these formulas we use only when you cannot factorize it, and also when you apply the limit, when you apply the value straight away, you are getting indeterminate form. So we try to use these formulas now. The x power n minus a power n by x minus a. So that means, listen, the formula we can use, see, x, here you should have x, and here also you should have x. So whatever function you have here, the base, that is x power n, the exponent is n, the base is x. Same base you should have here. A power n, you should have the a here. And when you substitute x is equal to a, it should become 0 by 0. The is x plus 1 the whole power 5. The base is x plus 1. I don't have x plus 1 here. So I am going to write this. I am just going to add and subtract. Okay. See, just now, just see this. I just added 1 and I subtracted. So the value has not changed, but I brought it in this form. Can you see that? X plus 1 the whole power 5, 1 power 5 by the same thing I have here. X plus 1, and I also have 1. and when I put x is 0, it is becoming 0 by 0. Okay, so bring it like that. So now write this formula, n into a power n minus 1. Your n is 5 and your the place of a you have the constant 1. Okay, see, n into a power n minus 1. So n is 5, 1 power 5 minus 1, that is 5. So 5 is the answer. So this is how you should do, or you can take x plus 1 as y. Seventh one, limit x tends to 2, 3x square minus x minus 10 by square minus 4. Okay, first step is you have to substitute straight away. Even though it is a rational function, just substitute. So 3 into 4 minus 2 minus 10 by 4 minus 4. So 12 minus 12, 0 by 0. This is indeterminate form. Indeterminate value. So now what we should do? We have to factorize. You have to, second step is factorize. If you cannot factorize, then only you go to the formula. So you can easily factorize this. 3x square minus x minus 10. The product is minus 30. Sum is minus 1. So minus 6 and 5. Yeah. So by 3, what will give you? Limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 and 3x plus 5. Do you know the shortcut method to factorize? You all know this method? How I wrote it here like this? Anybody knows the shortcut? I'll teach you it. So just cancel this. Now that this term is cancelled. Now apply the limit. So put x is equal to 2. So you will get 6 plus 5, 11 by 4. Do you know the shortcut method to factorize? No. So listen, 3x square minus x plus minus 10. So the product is, this you know, minus 30 and sum should be minus 1, right? And you know to find the numbers is minus 6 and 5, right? Now the shortcut here is, usually what will you do when you asked to factorize, what will you do? The middle term you split, right? Minus 6x plus 5. Now I just teach you a shortcut method. So what you should do here, divide this by the coefficient of x square, that is 3. Okay, this 3, I am writing this 3, put one x here, x not x square, the same 3, put it here also. Okay, now you cancel this, minus 2, right? So x minus 2, can you see now, x minus 2 and 3x plus 5. Understood? So you can always do this. When you know the numbers, just write the coefficient of x square here and x not x square, x, 3x, same 3x, write it here. If you can cancel it. So x minus 2 and 3x plus 5. Eighth one. So substitute again straight away. First step is that don't try to factorize or anything, just substitute it straight away. So you'll get 3 power 4, 81 minus 81, 0. This is 9, 18, 18 minus 18, 0, indeterminate form. Now you factorize. So the numerator you can factorize it as x square the whole square minus 9 square, right? The denominator, as I told you, the product is minus 6 and sum is minus 5. So what are the numbers? Minus 6 and plus 1. Just now I taught this method. What you should write? 2x, 2x here also. So what do you get now? X minus 3 and 2x plus 1. Can you see that? Minus 6 by 2x. The shortcut I am teaching you because you have not learned this. So this is 3. So x minus 3 and 2x plus 1. X minus 3 and 2x plus 1. This is now equal to limit x tends to 3. This is x square minus 9. Isn't it? A square minus b square. I am just using a square minus b square. So x square plus 9 divided by x minus 3. into 2x plus 1. Again factorize this. This is limit x tends to 3. This x square minus 3 square, you can write it as x minus 3 x plus 3 into, this cannot be factorized, x square by plus 9 x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. So this is cancelled. Now we can substitute the value. Okay, so put x is equal to 3. What do you get? 6. 18 by 6 plus 1 7. So it is equal to 108.